Hey, what's up guys? David here with you with DC Appliance Repair. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Man, today makes a very special day because in this video we're talking about what the YouTube channel just reached, and that is 2K on the subscriber mark. Man, hey, my hat's off to you guys. Thank you guys so much. Wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. YouTube channel wouldn't be what it is if it wasn't for you subscribing to the channel, hitting the like, and enjoying the content. And we're so glad that you guys do enjoy the content. So with that being said, in this video, as you know that at the beginning of the year when we hit 1,000 subscribers, and man, that's already awesome. We already hit another 1,000 before the end of this year, so that was definitely a goal that I wanted to do, so I was able to do that. Thank you guys. So that being said, we're going to do another giveaway, okay? And in this giveaway, we're either going to do a tool bag, we're either going to do a tool set, or we're going to do like a gift card. And you will also get access to the Appliance Repair chat group for free, okay? So let me know what you guys want. Would you prefer a tool bag? Would you prefer like a tool set, like a test meter, maybe with a 1/4 inch nut driver, 5/16 nut driver, you know, like a tool set mix, or a gift card so you guys can go get your own tools? So let me know in the comments below. That's what we're going to do. Again, every time when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do this, okay? So here we are at the milestone. So we thank you guys. We have been busy, so busy in the appliance repair field, we have not slowed down. If you're a new technician looking to get into the appliance repair field, it's definitely one of the best times to get into the appliance repair field for sure. Definitely, there's such a need. There's nobody teaching this around here in the country. There's only a few, and we're fixing to be one of them, baby. That's right. We're fixing to have training where you can come to a facility and actually train, get the training that you need, get all the proper education that you need, all the proper business education that you need. We're going to be doing that at the beginning of the year. Starting at the beginning of the year, I will be doing more content related around that. If you guys want to be a part of the chat group, we're definitely going to have content related around that. We're going to have 50 spots open for technicians to come and join. I'll do more on another video. I just wanted to thank you guys. When I started this YouTube channel, you know, I never had intentions of it growing this far. I never thought that I'd be helping people like I've been doing. Never thought that I would be teaching technicians all over the country, helping in the appliance repair field. Never thought that it would give me the opportunities that it's given me today. And I want to give a little back for you guys by doing this giveaway and tell you that I thank you and appreciate you very much. Well, this is probably going to be it in this video. I got more videos coming out. Again, I just wanted to thank you guys. Appreciate it. Love you guys. And I'll see you in the next video.